Dude, is there any way I can make my face not so white or something? So, it looks like I'm streaming, but I'm not. I look like silent, but I'm not. Basically, what I'm here for is to thank you guys for being a part of this community. Basically, we just hit 10,000 amazing music producers, and I just wanna thank you for that. A lot of people have been coming to my videos, but only you decided to stay. So thank you for becoming a member of very huge 10,000 amazing music producers group. And to celebrate that, I prepared a little gift for you. A discount code, but not 30% discount, not 50% discount, even not 70% discount. A 100% discount. Whether you're a future-based producer, whether you make dubstep or mid-tempo, or you just wanna sound like Potter Robinson, it is great because you have a big library of stuff to pick from. But the code can be used once and to buy only one pack, or two because it's actually a $30 gift card. So you can get one pack for free, and if there's something else that is just very cheap, you can pick two of them. So yeah, that was me. I'm heading out, whatever that means, and thanks for watching again. Enjoy the sounds, make really dope music, and see you in the next video.